Hi everyone, I'm Ed Tapper, it's Mr. C's Auto Mart, and we're bringing you a beautiful 2014 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. Now this one has the Altitude black wheels. Beautiful. The Cherokee is a V6 and it's a four-wheel drive, so it has the V6 engine. Is a four-wheel drive, and it has a trailer tow group. That means it's got a heavy-duty cooling system. It's got the Class 3 tow hitch and a full-size spare. And that means it gives you 4,500-pound towing capacity. So here's the rear compartment. The seats fold down to extend the cargo space. As such, if I do it from here, so you can fold one seat down or both to extend the cargo space. You have a full spare. Very nice. So you have a full flat rear seat, and you have rear heat and air vents. It's got chrome surround window trim and aluminum vertical roof rails. It's got a manually adjusted and height adjustable passenger seat. The 7-slick Jeep grille, chrome accents, LED lights for the accents to the headlamps. It's got a manual and height adjustable driver's seat. It's got 142,000 miles, the 8.4 radio, Bluetooth. It has these apps, settings display, and then you have automatic climate control, and you have the Selec-Terrain Suspension System. So it's an auto four-wheel drive. It's Jeep Drive 1. So it shifts, it's a front wheel drive, and shifts from two-wheel to four-wheel automatically if the front wheels slip in milliseconds. This is a suspension system that adjusts the suspension for snow, sand, mud, sport that would firm up the suspension, sand, mud, or snow, and deep off-road conditions to give you better suspension in addition to the four-wheel drive. Those are your ports for an SD card, aux, and USB. It's a 9-speed automatic. Steering wheel controls for Bluetooth, trip, and cruise. We'd invite you to come by and take a look. You'll visit MrC'sAutomart.com to view the car in detail in this video, or call me at 708-473-2014. Thanks.